Good morning, students. I'm very happy to meet to this online classes. In previous class, we learned about the most important lesson, globe, a model of the earth. The same related lesson, one more lesson I am explaining you today. Be carefully concentrate and note down the important points in your notebook. Okay, it's all right? Okay, yes. What I explained the other day, yes, about the earth, about the latitudes, about the longitudes and its uses, we learn. Now, we are going to learn about an important lesson. Do you know the earth is spherical in shape, I told in your previous class, like a ball. Do you observe the earth is the same in uniform, in size, in height? Yes or no? Understand? Shape. Earth is spherical. The shape, the entire earth is the same type of shape? No. So, earth is not uniform in size, height and shape. It is not in uniform in height, shape and size. It is different. Really, it is different from one place to another place. If you travel from one place to another place on the earth, definitely we observe some variations. Yes, all the earth is not in uniform. Not uniform. It is somewhat different. This kind of variations on the earth is called, this type of variation on the earth is called as relief regions. What is it called? It is called as relief regions because the variation of height, shape and size, it is called relief regions. Yes, the relief region is nothing but landforms. Once again, understand, listen carefully. Now we are going to learn about landforms. Different kinds of landforms I can explain you. Understand? The earth is not in uniform. It's differ from one place to another place while we are traveling. It is height is different, shape is different, and size is also different. These are called relief regions. It is nothing but landforms of the earth. Now we are going to learn about the important lesson, the landforms of Andrapradesh. Now we are purely learn about only our state. Do you know what is the name of our state? Yes, Andrapradesh. Everybody knows about this. Our state is called Andrapradesh. Do you know what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, Amaravati. Amaravati is the new capital of our Andhra Pradesh. Of course, Andhra Pradesh was newly formed with 13 districts. We have to learn this information later. So, this is information. How many kinds of landforms are there? How many kinds of landforms are there? I can tell you the three kinds of landforms. How many? Three kinds. Landforms are three kinds. Three kinds. What are three kinds of landforms? Yes, I can take, be carefully note down. Plains, plateaus, and mountains. Understand? The three kinds of landforms in Andhra Pradesh. There are three kinds of landforms, that is called plains, plateaus, and mountains. What are called plains? What is the shape? What are called plateaus? What is its shape? And what is mountain? What is the difference between these three, that is called plains, plateaus, and mountain? Now I can explain each of the landform. I can explain each of the landform. First I can explain plain. Yes, plains, plateaus, mountains. Now I can explain plains. What is called plain first? What is called plain? How many plains are there in India? East coastal plain, west coastal plain. Listen, afterwards I can explain. What is called plain? Plain means the landmass which is flat surface without any up and downs. Once again, what is called plain? The landmass which is flat in surface without up and downs is called as plains. Okay? Example, can you say? Example, can you say? Play. Yes, I am giving a clue. Playground. In your school campus, you are nearer the park. Yes, in your school campus, you play volleyball, you play cricket, you play kabaddi, whatever the game you play in your school campus, that is called as a playground. The playground is the best example for plains. It is a flat surface. It is a flat surface without up and downs is called as a plain. Example, your school ground. Yes, your classroom is also flat surface. If there is no benches, the classroom becomes flat without any up and downs. Automatically you may move freely without fear. As in the classroom, automatically we may move from one place to another place because it is a flat surface without any up and downs. So your classroom is also the best example for playing. So your playground is the best example for playing. Second one, plateau. What is plateau? Plateau means the landmass which is higher than plain with upper than plain like a table, like a table. Look once again, the landmass which is higher than plain like a table is called as, with the up and downs, is called as plateau. Plateau is also called as a tableland. Tableland. Do you know where I stood in the classroom? This is the plain platform. It is example for a plateau, the table in the classroom. The table is higher than the classroom. That is called plain. That means the plateaus are higher than plains. The plateaus are higher than plains. So, the plateaus are also called tableland. Best example, Deccan Plateau, Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The Tibetan Plateau is highest plateau in the world. Yes, it is called a tableland. Like a table, it is somewhat height when you compare it to plain. Another important landform, mountain. Yes, mountain is higher than mountains. The mountain is higher than plateaus and plains. Plateaus and plains with steep slopes. With steep slopes, mountains. These are the mountains. Look, understand? Mountains, that means plains are flat surface without up and downs. Plateaus higher than plains, like a table. It is also called as a tableland. Third one, mountain. It is higher than. It is more higher than plains and plateaus. So it is also called. It is with steep slopes. Slopes means this is a slope. So these are the different relief regions. It is nothing but landforms. These are called relief regions, nothing but landforms. Listen. I can show the picture on the blackboard. Now I can explain you this. This is plain. This is plateau. This is mountain. Mountain. Plateau. You observe. Understand? This is the plane up to here. The first picture is called plane. You observe it. This is the plane. We may move very easily without any trouble. You observe it. You observe it. This is somewhat height. It is somewhat higher than the plains. So this is called as a plateau. This is called as a plateau. Yes, the third one is a mountain. Yes, mountains are more higher than plains and plateaus. This is called as a mountain with the steep slopes. You observe, these are called as slopes are there. This is called slopes. Yes, this is called slope. Understand? Okay, and this is called plain. This is called plateau. This is called mountain. These are three landforms of the river. Listen, generally coastal plains, in our India and our state is also plains are there. Listen, in our country there are two important coasts. Yes, this is east coast, this is west coast. That means this is the west, this is the east. So from West Bengal to Gujarat, this is called as a coastal. There are 9 coastal states in our India. There are 9 coastal states in our India. Like that, our Andhra Pradesh is also coast, that is east coast. Yes, our new Andhra Pradesh have 2 regions. One is coastal region, another is Rayalaseema region. Yes, what is Rayalaseema region? Yes, all the Rayalaseema regions comes under plateau region. But what are the coastal districts in Andhra Pradesh? Yes, our Andhra Pradesh have 9 coastal districts are there. 9 coastal districts from Srikakulam to Nellore. From Srikakulam to Nellore, these are coastal districts. How many coastal districts are there in our Andhra Pradesh? How many coastal states in our India? How many coasts of India? India have only 2 coasts, that is east coast and west coast. The states which are situated beside the coast is called as a coastal states from West Bengal to Gujarat. And West Bengal. Okay. What about coastal districts in our Andhra Pradesh? There are 9 coastal districts in our Andhra Pradesh. What are the 9 districts, do you know? From Srikakulam to Nellore. 9 coastal districts. 4 Rayalaseema districts. That means coastal Andhra region and Rayalaseema region. Of course, before bifurcate of the state, our United Andhra Pradesh have 23 districts and 3 regions. That is the coastal Andhra region with 9 districts, Telangana region with 10 districts and Rayalaseema region with 4 districts. Totally 23 districts in our united Andhra Pradesh before 2014. But when our state was bifurcated, the Telangana region was separated and formed as a new state, that is the Telangana state. 10 districts are there at present. But now, our present Andhra Pradesh, Amravati as its capital, it has only 13 districts are there. That is 9 districts in coastal Andhra, coastal districts 9 and Rayalaseema 4, that is called 13 districts only at present. Telangana already bifurcated. Listen, what are the 9 coastal districts from Srikakulam to Nellore? Srikakulam, you count it. You count Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntoru, Prakasham, Nellore. These are 9 coastal districts. Once again, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntoru, Prakasham, Nellore. These 9 coastal districts are there. Remaining 4 is called Rayalaseema districts. It is called Rayalaseema region. The most of the Rayalaseema region is situated in plateau. That is called Deccan Plateau. The Hyderabad and Secunderabad and Telangana region, Rayalaseema region situated in plateau region only. What are the 4 Rayalaseema districts? Chitturu, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapuram. Chitturu, YSR Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapuram. These 4 districts are called Rayalaseema districts. So, now there are 13 districts in our new Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati as its capital. So, the 2 regions, one is coastal Andhra region, second one is Rayalaseema region. So, these are the 13 districts are there. Okay? Yes. This is Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam. Like this, if you say there are 13 districts in our Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Yes, already I told you about coastal region and the coastal districts. In India, coasts, east coast and west coast, and also there are 9 coastal states in our India. I told 9 coastal states, that is West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. These are called the coastal states in our India. It has only 2 coasts, east coast and west coast. Of course, our Andhra Pradesh belongs to east coast. Our Andhra Pradesh belongs to east coast. Okay, yes. Listen, what are the important cities in east coastal districts in our Andhra Pradesh? Yes, it is called a east coastal plain. This is coastal plains. Yes, this is our Andhra Pradesh, East Bay of Bengal. It is a coastal plains. Yes, generally the plains have attracted many people. When you compare it to mountain region, when you compare it to plateau region, the plain attracts the many people. The people are willing to settle in these coastal regions because abundant water availability, fertile soils. The soil is a more cultivable, so it is a more favorable condition to cultivate different kinds of crops, vegetables and etc. So, the coastal plains attracted many persons. This is the because it is alluvial soils. It is alluvial soils. It brings the rivers, the brings these fertile soils. So, the many people are settled here, and also the coastal districts are also well out with the cities and the towns. What are the important cities in our coastal districts or coastal Andhra Pradesh? Understand? What are the important cities and towns in our coastal Andhra Pradesh? And that is the 9 districts are there. Now I can write what are the important cities which are developed in our coastal districts. One is Visakhapatnam. Second one is Machilipatnam. Third one Kakinada, and fourth one Rajamahendravaram. And Vijayanagaram. Etc. there. This is the best example for developed cities in our coastal districts. That is Visakhapatnam. Of course, the government of Andhra Pradesh trying to establish as executive capital. Of course, it may be done or may not be done. We can't expect. So Visakhapatnam is one of the well-developed city. Second one, Machilipatnam. It is also well-developed city in the coastal region. And Kakinada, this is also well-developed city. And Rajamandri, it is also well-developed city. And Vijayanagaram and Vijayawada also you have to say. So these are the important cities which are developed in coastal regions. You understand what I explained you? Understand? Yes. We are learned about the landforms of Andhra Pradesh. That is called as plains, plateaus, mountains. Very clearly explained what is called plain, what is called plateau, and what is called mountains had been explained you. So you don't sit idle. You note down all these important points. So, and also explained how many coastal districts, that is from 9 districts, from Srikakulam to Nelluru, 9 coastal districts, the 4 districts in Rayalaseema region, that is called as Chitturu, YSR Kadapa, and Karnoolu and Anantapuram districts are there. So these are information about landforms, particularly the coastal region. So we have learnt the more information about these landforms. Already I explained plains, that is the coastal region, east coast and west coast of India, and Andhra Pradesh is also situated beside the sea coast, that is called Bay of Bengal. So these are the information about the coastal Andhra region.